just don't think Winnie's very impressed with my lettuce. You getting some? Goodness, it is so cold out here. What do you think, Winnie? Are you cold, Winnie? You're so fluffy. Look how fluffy you are, Winnie. You're so fluffy. You feeling okay? You just don't like lettuce? What is it, George? Oh, there is a bird over there. You see that bird? I don't think it's a hawk. Y'all looking? Yep. Oh, it's coming this way. Let's see what kind of bird it is. Oh, yeah. I don't think that's a hawk. I think that's just a buzzard. It's riding the wind, though. I really don't know what kind of birds those are, but we have a lot of them. And they are usually in groups. I think it's some kind of buzzard. I don't know. Did y'all eat all the lettuce? I still see some lettuce. Come get some. Chick, 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 chick. There's still some over here.